Hi everyone, how are you doing? I'm Zen, having worked for plant rental services in Japan for a long time. Today's topic is about some houseplants kept at one hair salon, which the shop owner bought when the salon was opened 2 years ago. I'm taking care of the plants by watering every 3 or 4 weeks. You can see how I'm dealing with houseplants as part of my business. This is a rubber tree at the entrance of this shop. How do you see it? It grows very well. The height of this tree is adjusted by regularly cutting buds, so we can also see pretty new buds. Let's start to check the status of water level. We don't see any water left and the soils are heavily dried as 3 weeks have been passed since my last visit. It's just the time to water now. I will give the whole amount of water in this tank, which is around 7 liters. 2/3 are filled by water in the 10-liter sized container. It's spring in Japan now. The climate gets warmer and therefore the amount of water required for plants will be increased. We can water such a large volume although rubber trees are resistant against dryness. I suppose that you would be surprised at seeing my way. However, we can let the plants take water which is even left in the bottom of the pot. We notice that leaves get dirty since plants are placed outside. The leaves will be wiped so that plants can promote photosynthesis efficiently. Also, please watch out the stem, which has been lignified very well for 2 years. This tree is going to lignify from the bottom. If you cut the top at the right time, the stem is nourished and then it becomes thick and lignifies well. We will see new buds from the top after cutting. Now you could understand that rubber trees can be grown up in a good shape if you manage it appropriately. Rubber trees are gorgeous and decorative. So now we can have a look at other houseplants in the shop. All the trees at this hair salon has been managed by myself. This is Dracena nobilis, which looks very nice and similar with Pachyra aquatica. I think that the plant is one of the unique houseplants. When the shop was opened 2 years ago, I did the total decoration of this plant by selecting a pot cover to match with the plant. The condition is really good, isn't it? This plant is Seagull Ape, which is also not bad. The shop owner doesn't need to care for all the plants since I'm responsible for the plant management. Plants are watered and leaves are cleaned up by myself. This is a kind of professional work which we can offer for our customers. It's challenging to care for Dracena Fragrance Massangeana. However, we could keep very nice condition for 2 years. This is fantastic. Unfortunately, one of them was withered, but the status of the leaves and stems are still at the best. We can keep such good conditions of our houseplants if the right way of the plant maintenance was selected. This Ficus Altissima looks very healthy. However, the variegation of the leaves was unfortunately disappeared because the plant is located far from the sunlight. Irrespective, this grows many shiny leaves and looks beautiful. Again, I would like to emphasize that houseplants can be managed for many years if these are located at right places and are watered in the right way. At last, I would spray optical brightener to the plants to make the leaves look beautiful. It would be great if you could apply the professional know-how and care for your plants for many years. I strongly believe that you can get the techniques by heart as long as you could watch my videos. I'm happy if you subscribe my channel, and please like it if you'd like to arrange your plants as I'm doing. Then let's have a fun of the life within the plants together. Thanks a lot for watching.